to create playlist on YouTube and why playlist is necessary. If you have that problem, so you are at the right place. We will solve your problem. So we will teach you how to create a playlist on YouTube. So playlist is very necessary on YouTube channel because playlist helps to the viewer to reach their necessary content, right? So it increases your views, your watch time, everything. So let's begin how to create YouTube playlist. Okay, so at first you have to go to your YouTube channel. For going to your YouTube channel, you can just go by typing on Google search engine youtube.com, or you can just go by typing on the search bar youtube.com. When you arrive at your YouTube channel or YouTube interface, so you can see on the right side there is your login on YouTube. So just click on it and you can see here there is a YouTube Studio option. Click on YouTube Studio option. When your YouTube Studio opens, on the left side you can see here there's a menu: live subscriber count, videos, playlist, analytics. So we need playlist, right? Just click on it. Now you can see here, here's a playlist that I have created here, like create account in academic videos in English, movie downloads related in Hindi, and academic videos in Nepali. So these are the examples of playlists. So you can also create your own playlist according to which the viewers can get help to reach to the video for their necessity. So for creating a playlist, you can see on the right side there is a button, new playlist, right? This button. So you have to click on it. Now playlist title, what type of playlist you want to make? Like I want to make a playlist related to YouTube channel only, YouTube related only. So I will type here YouTube. Okay, now create. So as you can see here is a playlist already created, YouTube, that I was telling you. So here is no videos. You can see here is no video. So now let's begin. So YouTube channel, YouTube playlist is created. Now you have to write the description about it, right? So here is a button. You can see here's a symbol of a pen, edit description. Let's edit it. Okay, so what do you want to how do you want to describe this playlist? Like I have mentioned here that you will get all the topics related to YouTube, right? So I will save it. Okay, so now here you can see there is no videos right now, but whenever you will upload a video related to YouTube channel, then it will be automatically added in this. How? I will show you. You can see here there are 3 dot buttons, right? Click on it. Just click on playlist setting. Now add new videos to top of the playlist. What do you want to just do the setting? You can do as your requirement. Allow embedding, or you want to just bring the new one video on the top, you have to click on it, right? Or do advanced setting. And then after clicking on advanced setting, you can see here my YouTube playlist is here. YouTube, right here you will get okay, the playlist setting is given here. So playlist privacy, public, ordering manual, or here's a button, auto add. Click on it. So define rules for the videos to be automatically added to this playlist. Now videos fitting any of this rule will automatically added. Okay, by doing setting in this option, automatically you can add your video on that playlist. So add rules. So title, what do you want to do setting? Like if there are the specific keywords on the title, if those title keywords are mentioned on your topic, then what happens? That video will be included in this playlist. Or if there is about description and you have mentioned it, you have to give some description here, and that description matches with any video, it will be automatically added on that playlist. Or tags, according to that. I will edit on the title contains what? Title content, if the title contains YouTube, then it will be automatically added to your playlist, right? So just do the save. Okay, you can see here confirmation is given. You have created auto add rules for the playlist. Would you like to add existing recent video matching these rules? So according to the word that I mentioned on the title, that if the title contains YouTube, it will be added to your playlist. So one video is already matched, so I will add by clicking on it and done. Okay, now you can see here how to create YouTube channel. Was a video which was already in my videos list, so it is already mentioned here, right? So this part is done. So like this, you can create several playlists for the users of the YouTube, which helps them to arrive to the content they needed. So it will increase your views and it will also increase your view time. So that's all for today. The rest of the part, another things, I will let you know in another video. For right now, don't forget to like, share and comment to this video, please. Thank you.